All right, guys, my name is Drew, and welcome to Freedom Motors. Right behind me here, we have our Kia Soul rear entry manual conversion. But before I get to that, I want to let you know a little bit about the company. So the company here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. Let that sink in a little bit. Some companies out there, they start up, they think they can do what we do in others the last 4 or 5 years, and they can't compete. We've been here 30 years. So, what are we? We're a manufacturer that takes these vehicles, converts them to be wheelchair accessible. With our ramp systems and lowered floors, it allows a wheelchair user to be able to enter the vehicle by staying in their chair. It's part of our name, freedom. Gives them the freedom to get around, get out of the house, go run errands. So let's look at the car a little bit. So again, this is our rear entry manual ramp. So when you open it up, as you can see, I'm a tall guy. I have plenty of headroom to get underneath this if need be, if you have someone to be able to assist you in. But if you're not, there are straps available for anyone who cannot reach the handle to be able to pull that back down. It's the small things that make things easier. And again, manual ramp, very, very easy to use. One finger with the counterbalance and spring assist on this ramp. Anyone can use this ramp. Just set it right down. Wheelchair comes right in the back. So while the wheelchair comes in, you're going to see down on the floor our attaching points for the restraint systems. It's going to come with manual restraint systems to be able to tighten by hand. You can upgrade to the retractables. It makes life a whole lot easier for anybody. So if you have a little difficulty using the manual straps, those retractables are going to be a game changer. The third option for the restraint system would be an easy lock system. And hopefully the marketing department, link at the bottom of this, show everyone what that is. Easy lock, it's going to be a pin on the bottom of your wheelchair that'll lock it into place. So you literally don't have to put any restraint straps on your wheelchair once you're in. Okay, once you're in, fully secure, what's next? Lift the ramp. So, easy, one finger, pick it up, or as some of the colleagues have said before, you can use a cane or even your foot. Pull that right up, super easy. That counterbalance and spring assist is going to make it simple to get in and out. All of our materials here, aircraft grade, high grade aluminized steel. The body underside is going to be undercoated. So aluminized steel, undercoating, what's that do? Limits rust and corrosion. These conversions are going to last. So if you want something quality, you want something to last, these are going to be the ones to use. Another little note, the Kia Soul is our most compact conversion that we use and do. So, going around town, you're in a big city, small parking spots, Kia Soul. Thank you. Hope to see you guys soon.